My name's Todd Bailey. I'm a Senior Structural Engineer and also a Principal of Northrop Consulting Engineers. I've been working with Northrop since 1994.
My name's Carly Collis. I'm a Structural Engineer and a Principal with Northrop, and I've been with the company for about 14 years now.
Since I started at Northrop, I've been working on schools all across the eastern seaboard.
So my experience in the education sector has varied from standard bricks and mortar buildings right through to modular. Recently, my modular experience has led me to working on one of the first 3-storey modular school structures in Australia.
I would say that Northrop have a huge amount of experience with school projects. When I started, there was about 4 major schools going on within the state. Since then, we've done more than 100 schools across the eastern seaboard.
Northrop definitely strives never to deliver the same solutions on every project. We don't roll them out the door. We tailor our solution to each project.
Smart engineering is about creating the space and creating the space in an efficient manner. It's also about providing a comfortable space in terms of, lighting and air conditioning and ventilation. My experience is Northrop are able to provide all these services and have proven it in the past.
The challenges on school projects vary from the standard site constraints of geotechnical issues all the way through to timing constraints. Schools are a little interesting in that we need to make sure we deliver within the school program. When you're talking about existing sites, there's the constant juggle of making sure school can continue to operate. So time constraints are often a big factor and something that we respond to very well. Modular suits the education sector right down to a T. It ensures that we're minimising the amount of disruption to schools on their sites. So particularly if we're not dealing with a greenfield site, we're dealing with a school that's in operation, students that have exams. The last thing they want is a long running over extended period of time on site.
The interesting things about schools is you get a variety of different sites. You also get a variety of different types of buildings. So we could design gymnasiums to libraries to administration buildings to halls, home bases, and we can also design wide sort of covered outdoor learning areas. So it's all about creating the space for the kids.
Schools of the future will include innovative engineering means, materials as well. So we're constantly looking at new materials. We've seen CLT, which we can deliver quite successfully. Vertical schools will also be essential to urban areas. The modular space is another space that we can deliver schools of the future using forward thinking and not just reverting back to the way we've always done things. So at Northrop we offer a full suite of services for every education project. We deliver using our building services team, civil, structural, sustainability, and we've got specialised services such as flooding and facades. Essentially any kind of project that you need in education, we've got it. What does Northrop do better than others? I think it's our communication skills are fantastic. We work really well in teams, and our client focus. So we're very good at listening to the client and determining what the needs of the project are.
I love the people at Northrop. I love working with the people. I love the fact that we can work within a team. I like the office space. I like the diversity. I really enjoy the people around me. It's a really good space to work in.
The most rewarding part about working in the education sector is the constant drive to deliver the best value for the public dollar. So ensuring that the public dollar is spent wisely in investing in the future of our kids.